Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by matching Python and environment. First, confirm the exact interpreter you use to run code. Run Python version and which Python or PyV on Windows. Once done, check whether you are in a virtualenv, venv, or conda environment. Then list installed packages with piplist or conda list to see if Pandas exists. You need this context because installing into the wrong environment causes the error. Make sure you know which Python will execute your script. Now install Pandas using the same interpreter you checked. Run Python mpip install Pandas so pip targets that Python. On Windows, use py mpip install Pandas if you rely on the Py launcher. For conda users, run conda install c condaforge Pandas or create a named environment and install there. Once installed, restart your IDE or Jupyter kernel to reload the interpreter paths. This step fixes mismatches, where pip installs to a different Python than the one running your script. Finish by verifying import in the exact interpreter. Run Python C import pandas as PD, print PD, version, and confirm no error. If you still see module not found error, inspect sys. Executable and sys. Path to ensure the runtime searches installed packages in the expected location. If paths differ, uninstall conflicting pandas instances and reinstall using Python mpip install pandas. If problems remain, ensure there are no
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.